If your Discord app is stuck on the connecting screen on your iPhone, don't worry. I'm Baka, and I'll guide you through fixing it. Let's dive right into the tutorial. The first step is to change the DNS server. Launch the Settings application on your device, tap on Wi-Fi, then the Info button next to your connected Wi-Fi, and select Configure DNS Switch from Automatic to Manual, remove existing DNS servers, and add Google DNS Servers 8.8.8.8.8.4.4. Save the changes, reopen Discord, and see if the issue persists. If the problem continues, navigate to Settings General iPhone Storage, find Discord, and offload the app. Reinstall it to ensure you have the latest version, which often fixes bugs. Offloading the app removes it but retains its data, freeing up storage. If the issue persists, try switching between Wi-Fi and cellular networks. Sometimes, changing networks can resolve connectivity issues. Lastly, check the App Store for any Discord updates. Ensure the app is up to date to ensure smooth performance. By following these steps, your Discord app should be back to normal. If you found this tutorial helpful, subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.